Hey guys, it's me. 12 by 12 layout. And it is a picture of a prayer my friend had sent me. And I just took I kept the picture because I feel like it's important to have friends that pray for you. With that being said, I have stuff everywhere because I want to use it all. I got this from one of my friends in life group. It's got the fruits of the Spirit on it, and I think that is so important to every Christian walk is, you know, just honing in on these particular aspects of being a Christian. Anyway, I love that though, and so I do have this, and I want to have that as like my border sheet. And I trimmed this one down because the script on it is basically rain, rain, go away, come again another day. And the prayer is about just the headaches I've been having lately. And that was back, she actually sent this back to me when I began having the headaches. And I thought that, you know, rain and just kind of like down, if that makes sense, like downtime. I don't know if that makes sense. But just being down and out, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And I pulled this paper out of my Simple Stories Faith collection, I think it is. And then these two 6x6 came out of, gosh, I'm almost positive it was a Maggie Holmes. Anyway, I really don't want to cover this up. Please excuse the phone in the background. I don't answer the phone. I literally do that all day at work. I'm certainly not going to do it here. And it's not for me anyway. It's for one of the bambinos out there. But I just used the text to kind of make sure those were all straight. So, and I brought this in from my stash. Just thought I would get that in there. I'm not backing my photo. Kind of gonna go off. Oh, like a whole bunch of noise. Kind of gonna go off like if I was doing my traveler's notebook. Now, I do have a few big ephemera pieces that I picked out. I thought I could bring this in. Got my heart. Pop that in there. Sorry, whatever that's going to show you up there. Sure, it's not worth seeing. I think I want to use this heavy duty tape here. The trick is finding the end of it. Okay. This is one I had gotten from Tape Jungle, and you can't tear it. And I went back on there just to see if they had one that you could tear now. And I was just looking at the reviews, and a lot of people were kind of off and on about it. Some people didn't mind that you couldn't tear it. Some people did mind that you could tear it. So, what? Hey, I'll be out in a minute. And I do not like that you can't tear it. That's just me. I am not against you if you can. If you like that you can't tear it, I don't, just whatever. floats your boat, I'm for it. Well, not for everything. Let me, okay, you know, just with the tape. Excuse me, I don't know, I just sprayed my Flonase in my nose. It's my allergy regimen, because I live in South Georgia, and allergies are the devil's work down here. Okay, now I haven't decided what I'm putting in this just yet, so I'm gonna, probably shouldn't have took the backing off of that, but we're committed now, so. I thought I would use this I like it better here. I don't like, I think it'll be okay. Kind of covering that up, but, oh, hair. Now my title is really long, so what I probably should do is put you guys on pause and go do that real quick, because kind of long's not really justifying how long it is, but I really like the long. Titles lately, so let me do that. Please hold. Okay, so everyone needs a praying friend, and then I have these stickabilities, happy and you know it. Oh well. Stickers, and they have this pineapple, which, long story short, 3rd grade, I think it was 3rd grade, she brought some pineapples in for a book report on Hawaii, and that's when I knew she was my person. And so here we are 25 years later, and she really is my person because she's praying for me, and you can't beat that. So let's see. Oh, I should probably go ahead and put a, should I put a flamingo down here? That would be kind of cute, huh? I think that would work. I mean, there's a cactus on here, you know? Like, why not a flamingo at this point? Why not? So yeah, anyway. I do think that pineapple is just not big enough. I also believe we'll find something else to add. I wanted to kind of keep this layout simple. I also want to keep it under 10 minutes, which, by the way, we are almost at, because I was watching a Facebook feed. So I apologize for all the personal stories, because the lady said she didn't care about your dogs and cats, so sorry for the personal stories of my life. But she did say under 10 minutes, and, you know, stick to the layout. So I was trying to get these used, but I don't think I want that on here right now. So I think what we'll do is bring in the sprinklies, which, again, I don't think that's gonna work either. Oh my goodness. Can we say not prepared? Yeah, I think we can. Oh goodness, you guys, I'm sweating like crazy now that I'm not prepared. I got a whole book of stickers here. What are you talking about, not prepared? Should have brought some sequins in from Speckle Mom's Grippy Scraps. She's got the best sequins ever. If you've not seen her new release, OMGZ, go look at it. Oh gosh, what are we at? Oh, we're over 10 minutes. Oh, I gotta go, guys. Peace out. A-Town down. I'll holla at you. Real talk. It's been real. If you ain't got a friend that prays for you, message me, email me. I'll pray for you. Hit me up. You ain't got to give me no details. I'll still pray for you. It's a cold world, y'all. It's a cold world. Oh, look at the ballerina. Okay. I think I am done, though. I really did want to keep this simple. So, yeah. This is probably the simplest layout I've ever done. Sounds like I'm not doing enough. Oh, where'd that one go? Oh, I think it's in one of these. Oh, what about this is awesome. I guess that lady will be watching my YouTube videos. Dang it. It's all good. Can it go to the side if it's an arrow? Ooh, I like that idea. Just a little doo-wobby up top there. Okay. Might have to go through and glue those down a little bit, tad bit more, but I like that this is on there. It gives it a lot of texture, so got a little flamingo. Alright, you guys. Oh, I forgot my words over here. That's what I was forgetting. 10 minutes, my butt. Jeez, Shannon just screwed that all up. Strong. That's a good one. Okay. Just a few. Yeah, that's good. Okay. There we go. Gotta have the word stickers. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. Alright, sorry guys, I went over 10 minutes. Why? Because that's what they do. I think 13 minutes is kind of just where I'm always at. So, it's what I do. I'm sorry. And plus, I don't want to do all the editing and all that. So, it cuts down on my time. So, I'm being a little bit selfish in that aspect. So, but I do it so that I can still spend time with you guys. Alright, sorry. Got a little shaky there. Alright, see you guys later. Talk to you later. Bye.